Valentine's Day, guys. I wanted to show you guys this simple, glowy Valentine's Day look that you guys can wear out tonight. So if you want to see how I do it, then just keep watching. I already prepped my face and did my eyebrows, so I put concealer on my eyelids for my eyeshadow. Next, I'm putting translucent powder on my eyelids and using a pinky eyeshadow with some gold glitters. My camera didn't really pick up the color, but it looked a lot more pink in person. Next, I added a burnt orange color to the outer corners of my eyes, and I noticed that the pink shade wasn't showing as much, so I tried to add more towards the middle. Using an eyeliner brush, I picked up a brown eyeshadow and used it to wing out my eye. For the base of my face, I wanted to use a glowy primer, and I used the Milk Makeup Foundation because I didn't want my foundation looking too heavy. Don't forget to blend your foundation on your neck. For my under eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer that I always use and setting it with the Laura Mercier powder. After that, I bronzed my face, and I kind of went a little heavy, but it's okay. So I also used that on my nose. And this highlighter is so good. I don't know if it's still at Target, but it's the Aspen Ovard highlighter. It just shows so well, and it's really pretty. I couldn't decide what to do for my lips, so I just did two different lip colors. So for the first lip color, I decided to do a more pinky shade. And for the next color, I just wanted to do a more nude, darker look. I think both of these colors look great, so I hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.